turtle. Brown. Green. Black. White. Light pink. What a wonderful turtle you've drawn. Look, your turtle can play hide and seek. Look what I have for you right here. Quick, open it up. No way. It's a new gift. Quick, let's draw something. You are making such wonderful pictures. Let's draw some more. You may choose what you wish to draw. Let's draw a funny piggy. Deep pink. White. Brown. Light pink. Black. Aqua. Gold. Purple. Light pink. Magenta. Brown. Light pink. Well done. What a lovely piggy you have. Look how funnily it plays. Here's your gift. I made it myself. Would you like to open it? Yay! A new drawing thingy. Let's go try it. You are such a good artist. It's so much fun to play with you. Let's draw some more.